runway 30, company number 3.
Okay, full downwind join. Number 6 over there, you're 30.
Got your engine, roger, hold position.
Holding, got your engine.
Only right, get a QFE at some point.
Able 1, just becoming number 1, abort flight.
Also, able to 1, could I have a QFE?
1001.
1001, able to 1.
Yeah, I prefer that because you know you're 900 feet now.
Oh, now I'm 1,000 feet.
Yeah, so there you go. Yeah, that's what, they don't automatically give it to you. They've got to ask for it. You right? You got it?
Yep.
Yep.
Able 1, if you cancel reporting final, proceed protection, go to left downwind, you're only number 2 to Boeing 737 traffic, just catching up on the island.
Okay, you have to go to the left downwind.
Left downwind, so touching go. What?
Left downwind, yeah, no.
Can you repeat that, able to 1?
Able 1, disregard report final, sorry.
Okay.
Able to 1 is
Able 1, runway 30, 240 degrees, under knots, clear to land, expect vacating the runway.
clear to land, expect vacating, couple, able to 1.
Able 2, if you can remain north to climb out, and report downwind, right hand.
Okay, we're turning left to remain north of the habitation, and we'll call you downwind, able to 2.
Able 2, thank you, midpoint downwind, right hand, make 1 left hand orbit.
And downwind to 1 left hand orbit, able 2.
Hello, 9361, either runway 307.5 miles. Direct 9361, make it out, continue approach number 2. Continue number 2, direct 9361. Midpoint downwind left hand, 1 right hand orbit.
Midpoint downwind, 1 right hand orbit, 10 right.
Baby Tower Golf, Bravo Bravo Tango Yankee on the General Aviation apron, information Lima, request engine start. Golf Bravo Bravo Tango Yankee, Newquay Tower, information Lima, QNH 1016, start approved. Start approved, QNH 1016, Golf Tango Yankee.
This is Charlie.
Yeah.
Max 9361, expect late landing clearance, vacating aircraft ahead. Yeah, thank you.
There we go.
Able 01, vacate right Bravo, taxi to parking via Alpha.
Okay, it's not here. Not here. Next.
Okay, right Bravo and taxi Alpha, able to 1.
Max 9361, land after vacating right aircraft at Bravo, runway 20, 1324 degrees, 9 knots. And after land aircraft, Max 9361. Able 02, confirm in the left-hand orbit. Able 02 is in the left-hand orbit. Able 02, report visual with the 737, now on a 2 mile final.
I haven't visual tank visibility.
Over 2 off the orbit, report final number 2, caution wake turbulence, recommended distance is 5 miles.
Nice.
Okay, I feel full base flag and the minutes for that, please.
737 on your tail weight. Just to make it tasty.
Rather than miles, what's the minutes?
Unable to provide that, that's our recommended distance, 5 miles.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, where am I parking?
Oh.
Orbit complete, same way. One further orbit.
Maybe
One further orbit, same way.
Yeah.
Oh, it comes here.
Yeah.
Newquay Tower, Tecnam for information, Lima, runway 30, QH 1016, cross engine start.
Before Newquay Tower information, box start up approved, score 1757.
Alright.
We can
Start approved 1757, Tecnam 4.
You might now get past there if we're a bit slow at pushing, but how quickly can you get out and push back?
Fast.
Yeah, alright, got it.
Okay. Fast and furious. Right, shotgun checks.
India, taxi on point Charlie 1. Charlie 1, go India. Relax 9361.